the shirt with the leaves on it. Oh, and more loafers.
I
This
know
is
a boomer
perfect.
that dresses exactly like that.
Oh, Dad.
Oh no.
This is a father. This is a father of two.
Oh, drives a minivan.
Be my dad.
He's actually kind of hot. I don't.
Hello.
He's
hello.
kind- he's
That's a hot lumberjack dad right there.
Oh my god, he's really hot.
God.
It's like Keanu Reeves, where like he's actually like really fucking old, but he's just really sexy. Oh no, did the book confuse
He's
him?
like
Oh,
this. He's the
trying to be
sexy
hip.
middle-aged man.
Yeah.
He's a cat man.
I dig the boots.
I do too.
I like
I
it.
like the sexy lumberjack.
I like that.
He's very
Timmy
hot.
Tillman.
I like him. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I think he.
Whoa.
Oh.
Fashion dad.
Oh, look at the sassy hip. Oh.
Ooh.
That's like the old guy
That's
that like
like,
wants to be fashionable but just really isn't.
I think he's very fascinating.
Oh, it's the
He
wedding
looks very
colors.
fabulous.
Oh, that's cute.
Trying to butter up the judges.
Mouse, stop hitting on all the contestants.
Sorry,
Mousy.
sorry.
Mousy.
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh yeah, we do have running water. We've got little
Oh my
fountains over
God.
here.
Oh,
my
that's
God.
really hot.
It's a boomer godbird.
It looks just like him. Oh my. Oh, that's hot.
That
Oh.
is so good.
Oh my god. Oh, fuck. I want him to grab me. Grab me. Grab me. I'm not a bad girl.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
those are his depends.
Oh my god. He's
Change
so
your
hot.
diaper. Change your diaper.
Daddy.
Oh my god. That was so good. Holy shit.